Good morning, students. Today's video is from your reader book. I will be reading and explaining your lesson number 5, the magic pot. So open page number 40. Before reading and explaining you the lesson, let me tell you the story in short. It's a story of Shubhadatta, a poor woodcutter. One day, 4 yakshas, one who guards the riches of the gods, met Shubhadatta and offered him work for 1 month in return of a big reward. After a month, the yakshas rewarded Shubhadatta a magical pot and he returned home. One day, Shubhadatta called all his neighbors for a feast. As Shubhadatta was boasting about the pot slipped from his hand, fell down and broke. Shubhadatta became sad and regretted his course of action. Now I will read and explain you the lesson. Shubhadatta receives a precious gift. Precious means very great value gift from the yakshas. Now who are yakshas? Yakshas are one who guard the riches of the gods. But what will happen to his good fortune, good luck, when he cannot control his pride? Pride means to be proud of something. This story is taken from the Katha Sarit Sagar, or Ocean of the Streams of Story, a famous 11th century collection of Indian legends. Legends is non-historical stories, fairy tales and folk tales by Somadeva. In Pataliputra, there lived a poor woodcutter called Shubhadatta. One day, when Shubhadatta was cutting wood in the forest, he saw 4 yakshas dressed in beautiful silk cloths and shining jewelry. Now, tell me, where did the woodcutter live? In Pataliputra. Now, who are yakshas? Heavenly beings said to guard the riches of the gods. If they get angry with me, they will curse me. Shubhadatta thought, his legs trembling with fear. Now, who will curse? The yakshas. Why they will curse him? If they get angry with him, Shubhadatta thought, he was scared of the thing that yakshas will curse him if he makes them angry. So with the fear, he started trembling. However, the yakshas were very kind people, very good people. Who are you? They asked Shubhadatta gently. I am Shubhadatta, a woodcutter, my masters, he replied. The yakshas looked at his torn clothes and thin body and decided to help him. As the yakshas saw the woodcutter is very poor, so they decided to help him. They said to him, work for us for 1 month, we will reward you well and you will never be hungry again. How long did the yakshas ask the woodcutter to work? 1 month. What will the yakshas give in return of the work? A reward. But what about my family? Shubhadatta asked. Now Shubhadatta was worried about his family as he had not informed them that he will be going with the yakshas for a month to work for them. On this, the yaksha said, don't worry, tonight we will send you to your wife in a dream, said the yakshas. Turn to page number 41. You will tell her that you are safe and that you will return after a month. Means in the dream, the Shubhadatta will inform his wife that he is safe and he will be returning after a month. In the morning, when she wakes up, she will find money and clothes by her side. Then I will gladly work for you, my masters, said Shubhadatta happily. Shubhadatta went with the yakshas. They bathed in the river. He helped them dress in silks which they produced out of nowhere. Out of nowhere means to appear suddenly, magically. Then he laid out the gold plates which too they produced magically. But there was no food. There is no food, my masters, he said to the yakshas. One of them smiled and said, We know that. Take this pot. And he gave Shubhdatta a beautiful pot. Put your hand inside and make a wish. Whatever you want will come out of it. It means the pot was magical and could produce anything a person wishes for. Shubhdatta thought of delicious pulao and put his hand in the pot. Lo and behold means surprisingly he had rice in his hand. Then he thought of meat and other tasty food. The dishes appeared before him. He put the food on the gold plates and set them before the yakshas. What a wonderful pot, he said after the meal. He was very impressed with the pot. Shubhdatta worked with the yakshas for a month. Then one day they said to him, "You have served us well. We will give you anything you ask for." As the yakshas were very happy with Shubhdatta's work, they asked him to ask for a reward. "I will take the magic pot, my masters," said Shubhdatta. Remember, he was very impressed with the magic pot, so he asked for the pot. "If you break the pot, it will return to us." "Ask for something else," said the yakshas. "But I want the pot, nothing else," said Shubhdatta. Turn to page number 42. "Then take it," said the yakshas, and gave him the pot. Shubhdatta took the pot and went home. His wife and children were very happy to see him back. He showed them the magic pot. He drew out means took out beautiful cloths and shining jewels from it. Pot. They were wonderstruck. Wonderstruck means very surprised. "Let us have a feast for all the neighbors." Feast is a large special meal. "But don't tell them where the food comes from," said Shubhdatta to his wife. Now tell me, why didn't the Shubhdatta want the neighbors to know where the food had come from? Because he was afraid of the pot getting stolen. So they invited 100 guests and served them the most delicious food they had ever eaten. "You are just a poor woodcutter. Where did you get the money to buy such good food?" one of the guests asked. One of the guests asked that, "You are so poor, then also you managed to arrange such a big feast? How?" Shubhdatta grinned, smiled to himself, but kept quiet. He was afraid that someone would steal his pot. But the neighbors were curious. Curious means wanting to know about the food, where it had come from. They kept asking him. At last, Shubhdatta could not stop himself from boasting. Boasting means to showing off. He brought the pot out and said, "See, the yakshas gave me this magic pot because I worked so hard. It gives me anything I want." So he started boasting about the pot. Shubhdatta started dancing with the pot in his hand. And then, horror of horrors, means something horrible happened. The pot slipped from his hand and broke. He quickly started picking at the pieces to put them together again, to make the pot again. For a moment, everyone saw the whole pot, and then it vanished, disappeared. Remember what did the Yaksha said? Yaksha said that if the pot gets broken, it will return back to Yakshas. So the broken pot went back to the Yakshas. Shubhdatta cried, "If only I had not been foolish enough to boast about the pot, it would still be here. What a fool I am." Shubhdatta started cursing himself that he lost the pot because of his foolishness. Had he not boasted about the pot would have been still with the Shubhdatta. But nothing could bring the pot back. Shubhdatta went looking for the Yakshas many times, but he never saw them again. So, students, what did you learn out of the story? What is the moral of the story? So, the moral of the story is to never be proud of anything you have. Students, read the lesson twice for improving your reading. I'll complete the book exercises and the workbook exercises in the next video.